Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new Node.js module with the help of which you can generate passwords and you can also generate password hasher as well. You can hash the password as well, and also you can compare the two passwords with their appropriate hashes. So these four operations you can perform. You can generate the passwords, you can hash the passwords, and also you can compare the passwords as well. So for this we will be using this dependency of Node.js, which is password dash lite. So basically it's a very new module which is it only got 5 weekly downloads. So this is the actual command which is used to install this module. So we will be integrating this inside Express web framework so that we can dynamically generate passwords, and also we can generate hashes, and then we can compare them as well. So basically this is the module, guys. You can see npm install password lite. So the very first thing you need to do is that we will make a new directory which we will call this as password generator. We will cd into this directory, and I will open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So you can just change the location name to accordingly. So right here we can generate the package.json file. So after generating that, we can install this module which is password dash lite. This is the actual module which is required to install, guys. So inside your package.json it will install this module. Now to use this module it is very easy. So basically this module, you will see they have given an example of it. You will see that. So in order to import this module, we will simply say const, and here we need to require this module which is by the required statement password lite, and from this there is a module which is called as password generator. So all these methods are there. You will see password checker, password generator, password hasher, and compare password. First of all we will look at password generator. So now to generate a password, you will pass the number of characters. So I will pass 12 here. So if I console log this, so it will generate a password of 12 characters. So if I now run this application, node index.js, so it is saying that require of ES module. I think we need to get like this password generator, and we need to require like this. So password generator, so just like this. So once again rerun the application, guys. So once again it is saying, I think it's a method. So for this, guys, this required statement will not work. We need to pass this import statement. So we need to import the module instead of requiring it. So for this change, we need to change this to import. So basically now if you run this application, you will get an error because it is saying cannot use import statement outside a module. So for resolving this error, guys, you need to make your package.json. So simply you need to write a statement here of type, and this will be called as module. So just make this slight adjustment, and now if you run this file, so now you will see cannot find package password generator. Oh, I think you need to require it from password lite. Uh, Password generator, password hasher. This needs to be password generator. So we need to require it from password generator. If you see now, password generator, yeah. So now if I once again run this, cannot find package password generator. So I think guys, it is generating some kind of error. Instead of using this, we can generate some more packages. So we can use just search on npm.js and we can use some more. This is, you can see this is a module, node-password-util. Basically, this does the same thing and it compares it, it updates it, all the stuff it does this module, which is node-password-util. So here, in order to install this, it is very easy. There is a command out there, npm I node password util. So this is the module, simply install it. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please join the Facebook group. I have pinned this message here. If you click it, you will be redirected to this. 37 members have already joined. So 3 people are watching the stream. So first of all, join the Facebook group. If you face any sort of problem in coding Shiksha group, you can join this Facebook group. I have pinned this comment. So simply click it and join this Facebook group here. So already 37 people have joined the Facebook group. So definitely join it. I have given the link in the pinned comment and also in the video description. So now coming back to our module, guys. So now if you see, after installing it, they have also given a complete example here how to use this. Simply copy this code here and paste it. So now if you now execute this node index.js, so now it will generate this name and this password will be successfully hashed. So it has created a unique hash for this password. By the way, Mahir is asking how can I make my React app SEO friendly. In the future, Mahir, I will definitely make a video on this, how to do SEO for your React.js applications. You need to do something to make it visible on Google. So definitely I will make a video on that. So now you can see it has successfully created that hash for that password. Now we simply need to, you can change this password to anything. So if you now execute, it will generate a different hash here. You will see that the hash is different now. So every unique password has a different hash and every password has a unique hash attached to it. So with the help of this hash, we can compare passwords as well. So you will see one people have successfully joined in. You have a new member. If I refresh it, so one member Mihir is joined this Facebook group. So welcome to this group, Mihir. So here you can ask all your questions. I will definitely try to reply to them, and many more members are there inside this group. They will also help you. So just ask questions inside the community, and definitely I will try to answer your questions. So in the near future, the members will increase. I have also given this link in my website also. So each and every day new members are joining it in this group. So definitely join and share this group with your friends. So now coming back to the subject, there is a second method which is there, which is called as compare. If you also need to compare the passwords, you can simply put a comma, compare. So now to compare the passwords, guys, we can have two passwords here. Let's suppose I create another user here, user 2, user 1, and this I make it as my name. This one I make as John. So basically, first of all, we are hashing the password for the user 1, and then we are hashing the password for user 2, and then we are using then statement. So this will return a promise. So we can handle this console log user 2. So you will see we have two users. We are hashing the password. So this password, let me change this to something else. So if I refresh, if I execute the application, you will see two passwords hashes will be created. It will be different. So you will see that. So now if I want to compare these two passwords, I need to know whether these two passwords are equal or not. So we can use the compare method. So basically we can just say here, so basically they have given this example which is compare method. So in order to use, we will compare the hashes of passwords. So paste it. So now basically we will compare it user1, and I will give a password like this. So if the password are successfully matched, then this value will be true. If it is not successfully matched, it will be false. So now if I once again run this, you will see it comes out to be false because the passwords are not equal. User1 password is, you will see this one. Let me make it equal. User1 password is John, and here also I pass John. So if I now have, now it also comes out to be, you will see, false, because if I see here, it is user1. So basically it is comparing the hashes. If you see here, user, to generate a reset password, you can also reset your password as well, and you can also update your password as well. So these are all the functionalities you can provide. Zaid, hi, you can also join the Facebook group, Zaid, if you want to. Already 38 members have joined the Facebook group, so definitely join in. I have pinned the comment, so if you're watching it, you can also join this Facebook group. So in this way, guys, you can generate the passwords hashes as well by using this module. Let me change the title of the video so that you will see node password and util. So save this. So that's all guys that I wanted to show you. Please join the Facebook group. I have given the link in the pinned comment. 4 people are watching the stream, so definitely join the Facebook group. Already 38 members are there, so just join this Facebook group to ask questions, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.